Inside.
It is a blessing there, you know, after 4 month works of working on the beam, on the ground floor and foundations, and our worker working hard, finally we are able to start pouring the concrete. So it is a little bit challenging, you know, because the power just to be always steady and stable and the water always is strong enough. But when we start pouring the concrete, it's just like the power off. But thankfully, you know, we have our own generator. We have to run to office to get our generator, and it's able to supply the power to work on the concrete, and as well as the water as well. The water just become weak. But Fong and I, we sat down here and watching and we pray together, and God answer our prayer. Now everything is going on, and we're just so excited. And just want to say thank you very much for all your support and for your prayers. God willing, we are hoping to move in our new home sometime in summer 2023, and we tentatively scheduled for the dedications of on the 4th of 2023. Please make sure you still have a valid passport and mark your calendar, because Stronghold will be inviting you, our partner, supporter, to come and join the celebration of the dedication as well. Thank you. God blessing.